Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with a 2013 Audi Q7 diesel, 3 liter. Customer's complaint here was coolant loss. Coolant was down quite a fair bit and it had gotten around the belt and slung around the belt, and I'll show you here where we're getting into in here. Common issues on here. We have, this is the engine oil cooler, and there's an adapter housing down under there, and the seals through time and mileage and so many heat cycles start getting hard, brittle, no longer flexible, and coolant starts leaking out through the bottom. In this case, we've got some oil going as well. Turns out to be a great big mess, because when this is all together, you can't really see down in the valley here, because this has the EGR cooler on it, the intake plenum and all that, so you'll get coolant and that running out through the corners of the valley. That's the indication there. So we're going to get the rest of this all apart, and we'll follow through with another video and give you a better idea of how really involved this job is. Thanks for watching, guys.